Hello, today we are going to check out the MaximalPower FCA4 charger. First, we are going to look at the overall structure of the charger. Here is the LCD display. Here is the current setting button. Here is the slot setting button. And here is the mode setting button. There are 4 battery slots on the charger with 2 9-volt battery slots. Right here on top is where you plug in your cable. Let's go over the readings on the LCD display when the batteries are installed. Watch the battery symbols at the very top. If the icon flashes upward, it is charging. If it flashes downward, it is discharging. For the 9-volt batteries, a 9V icon will flash on the screen when a 9-volt battery is actively charging. The 4 battery type is on the left side: lithium-ion 4.35 volt battery, lithium-ion 4.20 volt battery, NIMH or NICD battery, LiFePO4 battery. The battery status is on the right side. This shows your battery's charging current, the voltage, and the internal resistance. The battery capacity and the time is on the left corner. It will display the battery capacity in mAh and how long it has been sitting on the charger. Right next to it is your battery percentage. It shows how much your battery is charged. Function mode is on the right corner. This shows your current function mode. There are charge, discharge, refresh, and test. You can only change the function mode for slot 4 only. Let's talk about the battery slot settings. After inserting your battery, use the slot button to toggle through each slot and view its specific information on the screen. C1 will be slot 1, C2 will be slot 2, C3 will be slot 3, C4 will be slot 4. If you have a 9-volt battery installed, it will show as 1, and the info will go between slot 1 and 2. Let's go over the charging current settings. When you just plug in the charger and your batteries, the default charging current is 0.5 amp. It will work on all batteries and it is the safest option. You don't have to change it if you don't want to. If you want to change the charging current settings on battery slot 1, you can press the slot button until you see C1, and then press the current button to select the charging current that you want. You can also change the charging current for the 9-volt battery. You can change between 0.06 amp or 0.12 amp. On the menu, you can see the recommended charging current table for your battery. Let's talk about the battery type settings. You can change the battery type on slot 1 to 4. If your battery is a NIMH or NICD battery, the charger will automatically set the battery type. If you are charging a lithium-ion battery, you can press mode button for 2 seconds. and select between 4.35 volt and 4.20 volt. Since this battery is listed as 3.7, I will choose the lithium ion 4.20 volt. If you are charging a LiFePO 4 battery, it will display as lithium ion 4.2 volt. You have to press mode for 2 seconds, select the LiFePO 4 battery type manually. I don't have the battery with me, but I will show you a screenshot of the LiFePO 4 battery settings on the screen. Remember, don't insert alkaline battery. This charger doesn't support alkaline battery. Let's talk about mode settings on the charger. Mode settings only applies on slot 4 only. It doesn't apply on slot 1, 2, 3 or the 9 volt battery slot. Press the slot button to change the screen to C4, which represents slot 4. Press the mode button once to select each of the 4 functions: charge, discharge, refresh, and test. Charge and discharge is quite straightforward. It will charge or discharge your battery. We talked about charging current before. For discharge, you can select the discharge current between 0.2 amp or 0.4 amp. In test mode, this mode checks the health of your battery by running it through just one full cycle. It will fully charge your batteries, empties it, and then charge it back up again. When it finishes, it will show you how much power the battery can hold. Refresh mode. This mode is used to fix and wake up older or worn out batteries. Instead of stopping just one try, it keeps repeating the charge and empty process over and over. Each time it finishes a cycle, it checks to see if the battery's power capacity got any better. As soon as the battery stops improving, the charger automatically stops and shows you the maximum amount of power it is able to hold.